Here is why risk management won't make you rich. What's good, guys? My name is Basil, and today's video I want to explain to you why risk management won't make you rich, guys. So if you're new around here, make sure subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I post a video. Let's get started. So guys, risk management, first of all, is the biggest aspects that we have to apply to our trading system so that we don't lose money, So risk management is there to protect you from blowing your money, from losing too much money. That is what risk management does, and it's a very big aspect. Don't get me wrong, but it won't make you rich. Reason why? As I see, they apply good risk management. They have high probability setups, but they're using very small lot size in the name of risk management. Worst feeling is having a high probability setup like 100 pips, and then you place a 0.01 lot size. So for you, meaning if your target is hit, you're only taking $10 home. For someone who has used the 0.10 lot size, they're only going to be taking $100 home. For someone who has used a lot size, which is the standard lot size, they'll be taking only $100 home. For what matters in the Forex market is if you have a nice risk to reward, Let's say you have a 1 to 5, a 1 to 6, that is a very good risk to reward, So you're going to be losing a small amount of money, but your target is going to be very huge. Place that lot size, Place that lot size. Most of you guys are driven by fear and emotions. Anytime when you have fear and emotions, you're going to lose even confidence in your strategy. And most of the times your strategy is very good, Market is going to go your way. But since you're afraid, you're going to end up using a 0.01 lot size, and you're only going to be taking $10, or probably the highest you have used is 0.05 lot size. Guys, we need to risk. If you don't risk, you won't be able to make money in this Forex market, guys. Most of you traders forget that our main purpose trading the Forex market is to make money, guys. So you need to go aggressive to be able to make money. But again, at the same time, you need to be defensive so that you can keep your money. These are the two components that I move with. I'm always aggressive at the same time defensive, So don't be defensive and not aggressive, guys. That is a very wrong thing, because remember, guys, you can't be trading your whole life, I don't want to clock, let me tell you guys, for me, I don't want to clock 30 and I'm still trading in the Forex markets. I don't want to clock 35. Right now I'm 25, and I'm still trading the Forex market, guys. I want to make money from this market and move fast, because this thing, to be honest, guys, it will affect your mental health. It will affect your social, I have even, guys, to be honest, I have social anxiety. I can't manage to be around people because of trading. Yes, I'm making the money, but this trading comes with a lot of effects, and I don't wish anyone to go through this. So that's why you need to risk, make money fast, get out of this market, invest your money in properties, and do all these things, so that you can get out of this market. Let the young people trade. So traders, wake up and trade. Risk that money, guys. Remove fear. Fear would make you money, guys. Remember, money is just a tool. Use that tool wisely, guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. Peace.